The crypto markets are at a really key point right now. If you're holding any crypto, you will want to watch this video. I am going to talk about the reason why we are going down right now. I'll also look forward into what the next major move is going to be, everything you need to be prepared for if you are in the crypto space. So guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. And what you can see for Bitcoin is that we have been having a pullback right back down to the $95,000, this orange line right here, which I've been warning you about so many times. And I've been saying that on the immediate short term, you still have not really achieved anything here because we are still under the very key resistance levels at $100,000 and $101,500, which is this. You know it already by now, the yearly moving average here on the daily time frame. So what can we see here? We zoom out, we at the very least have a trend of making higher lows, higher highs. So this is still intact. And this can still, and I do believe it is eventually going to take us up through these resistance levels. And we're going to break towards higher prices in 2026. However, in the immediate short term, I'm still cautious. I remain cautious. I don't see any reason to change that stance because we are still below the key resistance levels. And I will show you exactly who has been selling Bitcoin here recently as well, the reason why we're going down. So again, I keep repeating the same thing I've been saying. In the immediate short term, still I remain cautious, but if you are going to hold throughout 2026, I still believe that this is going to be a very good entry, especially if you're going to use something like the trading strategies here, which are also going to take full advantage of the volatility here moving forward. Okay, so that's all great. If you look at, I was going to jump over to this one, Ethereum is also resting on key support here, my orange line. And I know a lot of you guys have been selling at my orange line. You've been accumulating at the support level of my orange line as well. So that's very good. And you can see, especially here for Bitcoin, we've been going sideways for such a long time. And now we're having a little bit of a breakout towards the upside. So now let's make this support and see if we can gain some momentum to finally break through the resistance level. Same thing for Ethereum. Can we reach 3,618? For Solana, we were not able to break through my orange line at 149. We're having a decent pullback. Next level of support, 136. So this is not rocket science, guys. Very easy levels to keep track of. And a lot of you guys have been making incredible gains here. So congratulations to you. If you look at the traditional markets, S&P 500 equity market is grinding upwards. A little bit of a pump here, so this is looking good. If you look at gold, a bit of a pullback, same thing for silver. Now, how is it looking for my trading strategies? Most of them are in the green, so looking pretty decent here for my trading strategies. For every day that goes by, more and more gains are being made. So they remain open and they remain profitable. And over time, I think that this is going to be in incredible gains. So I will keep you updated as always, guys. If you want to use my trading strategies, go down to the description of this video right now. You have the Pionex link right here. You have the deposit bonus link right here. And then if you want to use my specific strategies, you have them right here as well. So make sure to take advantage of that. Let us continue. If you look at who has been dumping Bitcoin, you can still see that the discount on Coinbase is still here. This is telling us that US institutions are dumping Bitcoin still here. So when this goes into the green, where you have a bit of a premium, that's going to be the transition. So we need to see this being sustained. We've had brief periods here recently where we have been in the green, but yeah, red overall, as you can see. Also, something interesting happened. So what we did is we tapped the short-term holder cost basis. What does this mean? Essentially, for everyone that have been buying Bitcoin recently, they have a average price of 98,000.4. Now, that's where we reached, and then we saw a pullback, of course. Why is this important? Well, it tells us that people are trading this short term right now. So they're buying down here, and they're taking profit as they're getting closer to the average price here. So also this means that a lot of people, once the Bitcoin price reaches a break even, people start to take profit. So this is very important to keep track of because this is also something that we saw happen on the 5th of January. In fact, we can see on the data here that short-term holders sent about, I think it was like 40, let me see here, with over 40,000 Bitcoin in profit was sent to exchanges. And then we saw that pullback. And on January 6th, we saw the same thing. 30,000 Bitcoin in profit that was accumulated at a profit was sent to exchanges. And this is the chart. You can see right here, the profit was sent to exchanges, started to be sold off. And here on the 5th of January, when we saw a similar move, also people started to send to exchanges and the price went down. Now, when are we going to see the selling pressure go away? Well, what we can see here is if you look at the OG Bitcoin holders, people that have been holding Bitcoin for more than 5 years, big whales, their activity has been dropping a lot. They have had a high activity here throughout end of 2024, entirety of 2025. Now the activity is very low. So this shows us that the old whales are running out of Bitcoin to sell. So in my opinion, things are looking very decent right now. I see no reason to change my stance that I believe that 2026 is going to be a good year. This is going to be the make it or break it year, guys. We will see if I'm going to be correct or not. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. You can see it right here. My trading strategies. I believe that these ones are going to make a lot of gains. But guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.